Let's start today's topic. In the previous classes, we have another topic, but this is the new another topic that you have already learned in the chapter 2. This is the continuation part of the chapter 2. Remedial of the fundamental rights. Remedial of the fundamental rights. Then today's topic is the rule of locus standi by the public interest litigation. You may have heard about the public interest litigation, but I think you may not be heard about the locus standi. So let's try to understand. But this locus standi is not so important because it is already replaced by the public interest litigation. So let's see. The traditional rule is that the right to move the Supreme Court is only available to those whose fundamental rights are infringed. Adi fundamental rights so khalaba miyoi khaktana Supreme Court ta move tawba yabagi hak to lerme ko adugi hak to the Supreme Court has now considerably liberalized the above rule of locus standi. Oje haiba Supreme Court ta move tawba yabagi fundamental rights manghan biraba miyoi na move tawba yabagi du madubuni akhoi locus standi haji ko ado hai basigi locus standi se Supreme Court na mayam gi public ki ona yenga kanda hena liberalize haidi hena kai haitare pakthok sawton na hena khudong chaba phangna na bokona buduni odi Supreme Court na karmaina hone didi yengse. Any member of the population can approach the court for redressal where a specific legal injury has been caused to a determinant class, a determinant class or group of persons who is such a class or person are unable to come to the court because of poverty, disability, or a socially or economically disadvantaged position. Kanagumba miyo ema magi right se violate tawbire na dikhangaba aduga Supreme Court ta move tawduna masagi magi right to masagi amuk hanna phangnana ba ko remedial measures to lokhat pakanda yam lair boy bi adigi di tongan ba khudong cha ba mong ama oibidagi obi Supreme Court ta chatpa ngamdaba matam do adigi matam du da kedawi sigi locus is in the same mukai hai du. But we must be careful to see that the member of the public who approaches the court in case of this kind is acting bona fide and not for personal gain or private profit or political motivation or other consideration. Hai basigi kanagumba magi right to violate tawbire na khang taragadi Supreme Court chatpa yabagi magi kanudu piriver right se public interest litigation da laktoni tawbudabu yam section gadaba amana public interest litigation lakpa kanda move torpa kanda puthorokliba cause du public ki oigadra natragna personal ki oigadra masagi kana na boy na puthorpa jala natragna mayam ki kana na boy na yengaga tawba jala hana adugi question na mayam chawna arise tawbu and the court now permit the public spirit persons to file a writ petition for the enforcement of constitutional and statutory rights of any other persons or a class. If that person or a class is unable to invoke the jurisdiction of the High Court due to poverty or any social and economic disability, the widening of the traditional rule of locus standi and the inventions of public interest litigation by the Supreme Court was a significant phase in the enforcement of the human rights. Haidi mamangai da locus standi na asagi only magi right to violate torba miyoi du khaktana chatpa yabagi khudong chaba pirambadu hojiti kamain tawgeda aduguma miyoi duna karigumba Supreme Court na tragna High Court lakpa matamda sen tungi phibam natraga atopa condition phibam sadabadagi lakpa ngamdaba taraga su madu kanagumba amana hairiba magi matter ado case ado miyam pumbagi na kanagadabu oitaragadi individually nataba kanagadabu oitaragadi madu magi mahut chillakanda Supreme Court ta chatpa yabagi ayaba digi High Court ta chatpa yabagi ayaba adubuni public interest litigation na Supreme Court na human rights se phanghanna na bagi hona bakanda puthor isiko court held that any member of the public having sufficient interest can approach the court for enforcing the constitutional or legal rights of those who cannot go to the court because of their poverty or other disability. Oh. Supreme Court nang asagi hauji aina mamang dahai giduni kanagumba magi human rights violate tawbire khalaga sumana muk tawba ngamda taragadi madu karigumba miyam gi kana gadaba yenga kanda miyam gi koigi personal di natabako adu oitaragadi magi mohchila kanda sakpaya. Hence the court was aware that this liberal rule of locus standi might be misused by vested interests. Adu court na so mukhange ba kaigumma tamda masigi koigi law se masigi act se kanagumba kharana misuse torpa yai serana sinarpa yai. As a result of this broad view of the locus standi permitting public interest litigation or social action litigation, the Supreme Court of India has considerably widened the scope of Article 32 of the Constitution. Article 32 of the Constitution says that statutory power mayamama kotasapagi fundamental rights to ni adagi fundamental rights se hena paktok sa kohal kanda hojiki public interest litigation se locus standi to gi hochil kadoni ba. Then a person need not come to the court personally or through a lawyer. He can simply write a letter directly to the court complaining his sufferings. Then any member of the public can approach the court for redressal where a specific legal injury has been caused to a determinate class or group of persons when such a class or persons are unable to come to court because of poverty, disability, or a socially or economically disadvantaged position. Among the high give dunia adu high basically public interest se litigation se silak pakanda mukedawi public interest litigation se is a weapon which has to be used with care and caution. Objection na yamna kano tawna sijinagadaba haide kanagumana lana natraga khudungchaba lawrakpa yaina among the high give mana ko. The strategy of public interest litigations has been evolved by this court with a view to bring justice within the easy reach of the poor and disadvantaged sections of the community. As you have a public interest litigation, say, lie about we cannot over pilejadraba, Magi Kudong Chadraba, Mioshimdo, Madudu, Kudong Chaba, Panganaba, Magi right to Pangbakandiam, line of Pangbayana with the Uturapuneva. Adunakahai, the Supreme Court has jurisdictions to give an appropriate remedy to the aggrieved persons in various situations, protections of pavement and the slum dwellers of Bombay, then improvement of conditions in jail, then payment of minimum wages, protection against atrocities on women, the Bihar blinding case, some example name Palestine, then place trade in protective home of Agra, abolition of bonded laborers, protection of environment and ecology are the instances where the court has issued appropriate writs, order, and the directions on the basis of public interest litigations. Hoji haidiba miyam gidamakta kana nabagidamakti ni public interest litigation haise aduna haidiba Supreme Court na matakta ina hoji panliba aggrieved persons sing haidi awaba taraba pibam phatraba yosin jugi magi situation si yenga kanda say isam na hakanda protection of pavement and the slum dwellers of Bombay or Mumbai. Bombay ki
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯃꯨꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯆꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯇ ꯆꯠꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯇꯨ ꯐꯨꯗ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯔꯥꯏꯠ ꯇꯨ ꯁꯦꯜꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯊꯣꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯨꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯊꯣꯛꯇꯕꯗꯣ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯃꯍꯨꯠ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯅꯕ ꯗ꯭ꯋꯦꯂꯔꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯂꯝ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯇ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯏꯆꯝ ꯆꯝꯅ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯥꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯛ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁ ꯂꯤꯇꯤꯒꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯊꯥꯡꯗ ꯃꯨꯞ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕꯗꯣ ꯐꯪꯍꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯑꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯝ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯕꯤꯍꯥꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯚꯤꯛꯇꯤꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯦꯁ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯗ ꯑꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ abolition of bonded labors tongan tongan khaidokpiraba adagidi divorce adagidi leiriba adagidi environment ecology sokchilakpa mayamju kannanabagi damakta court ta chatlakanda move torakanda magi rights indo phanghanbagi khongthang sinadu hauji hariba public interest litigation sina lawbaneba tawbadabu public interest litigation se masi tawbakanda yam section gadabani habako public interest litigation se has acquire a new dimension aduna public interest litigation se tholakpadagi akoigi miyoibagi hak amuk ana phangalakpa matamda achoba awonba mayon amakak lainebako aduna to protect basic human rights of weak and disadvantaged peoples gati leitraba adagidi kay hetare mateng miyoibagi hingbada atopasingi mateng yaudana masa matunda maromdum leppada ngamjadraba miyoising ado makoigi damakta di yam chawba aina makhakneba public interest litigation haiseko and the greatest contributions of public interest litigation has been to enhance the accountability of the governments towards the human rights of the poor. That's a lie of sigi magi human rights masi panganana bada public interest litigation ge yam chawba magi khudol makhakni haiduni
kananaba dwellers ma'am adagi slum area da laiba miyoi line ma'am sindugi kananaba gidamakta court yam isam samna application ama thar kanda dum haiba public interest litigation sigi khuthangda move tawbiraga mkhoi kanabdu phanganba yaiba adumangna ngasagi supreme court na mayama bihar da laiba digidi akogi kano haitare victim moiraba miyoi adagi place trade adagidi abolition of bonded labors tongan tongan khaidokpiraba adagidi divorce adagidi leiriba adagidi environment ecology sokchilakpa mayamji kannanabagi damakta court ta chatlakanda move torakanda magi rights indo panghanbagi khongthang sinadu hoji hariba public interest litigation sina lawbuneba tawbudabu public interest litigation se masi tawbakanda yam section gadabani habako public interest litigation se has acquired a new dimension aduna public interest litigation se tholakpadagi de agoigi miyoibagi hak amuk hana phangalakpa matamda achoba awon mamayon amakak lainebako aduna to protect basic human rights of weak and disadvantaged peoples gati leitraba adagidi kay hetare mateng miyoibagi hingbada atopasingi mateng yaudana masa matunda maromdum leppada ngamjadraba miyoising ado makoigi damakta di yam chawba aina makhakneba public interest litigation haiseko and the greatest contributions of public interest litigation has been to enhance the accountability of the governments towards the human rights of the poor. That's a lie of sigi magi human rights masi phanganana honabada public interest litigation ge am chawba magi khudol makhakni haiduni. Now, the power of the Supreme Court under Article 32 includes the power to appoint commission of making inquiry into facts relating to the violation of fundamental rights. The apex court further held that public interest litigation through a letter should be permitted but express the view that in entertaining such petitions, the court must be cautious so that it might not be abused. Masagi lairaba singi adigi magi hakche phanganaba honaba matamda court na tongan ba magi hakto phanganaba honabada investigation adigi di asengba chumudo puthoknaba honabada mari lenaba action jingdo court na directive pi doini directive pi ba kanduda mamang da hagi bad maina awudabu hauji haiba public interest litigation se misuse hadi serana sijina kidanaba court na gadabani habako. Public interest matters today focus more and more on the interests of the Indian middle classes rather than on the oppressed classes. So, mamangaida ha bahor kumatam dadi public interest litigation se lai da basingi upai le basingi makoi bu guard tawnana ba makoi gi right to phangana ba pandam namaga loina na samjal lakibane adubu ngasi di lai da basingdugi Nattadana middle class the labor kangusingi hen kudumchana. The court suggested that all such letters must be addressed to the entire court and not a particular judge, and secondly, it should be entertained only after proper verification of material supplied by the petitioners. Masagi court mukta rupakanda complaint or iba petitioner or iba miduna pishalakli bachi sangse yamunna verified tawkudabani. Apart from securing several non-justifiable socio-economic rights as guaranteed under fundamental rights, the Supreme Court has frequently restored two novel features in the field of human rights jurisprudence, such as compensatory jurisprudence, judicial lawmaking, with a view to secure justice to the downtrodden and also to the oppressed people. Public interest litigation is a weapon which has to be used with care and caution. Supreme Court na lai basingigi achoba magi hakse phanganana hona ba matamda hai basigi public interest litigation se yam section na jinakadabani haba. The judiciary has to be extremely careful to see that whether it contains public interest or private vested interest. Kay gumanga say complaint ma tarukuma tamda public ki oina labra na tagna private ki oina labra habido madu objection na man yengadabne. The Supreme Court of India in a number of important decisions has significantly expanded the scope and the frontier of human rights. Public interest matters today focus more and more on the interests of the Indian middle classes rather than on the oppressed classes. As in the Supreme Court na number of important decisions mayama lawre important decisions mayama lawbisda human rights ki damakta magi human rights ki violate tawiraba duga human rights victim mona laiba mayam si phangnana bokona bakanda Supreme Court na achoba thodang lawdana ngasagi tawbudabu ngasagi Supreme Court tana move torpa ngamdabudu haiba public interest litigation dugi khuthangda lakani na hoji haigre aduna public interest litigation se hojikti middle class ta laiba kangbu sing su khudum charo mayam lower kanda madugi right to phangnana bokona buda sijinari bako. Then compensation has been awarded by the Supreme Court by referring to its different concepts like exemplary cost, the palliative measures, solarium or exemplary damages. Tongan ba akoy gi punishment hai tare madu violate tawta gadi right to phangna bokona bakanda Supreme Court na mongonda pib da kanda fine thihan ba tongan mamakhan ge ko exemplary cost, then palliative measures tongan mamakal mayama lokhat lebu adigi makal mayam du lokhat pakanda ni masai ge hoji hai si lai si ko aduna the foregoing discussion ko make it clear that At present, the power to grant compensations through the rates is an established remedy. And ako'y nagkangi hojik na inausis da Supreme Court na paikalak matamda ngasagi human right to violate to bibadu madu kanana bahona bakanda compensation adegidi haitare kiti puron haitare mutiron haitare gudi adu mayamdu phanghandana ngasagi magi right to mahang gibudu chapchana hanjilakpa yadragashu khara makhaidi measures lakhatana magi hanjinana bahona on the basis of the above discussions. It can be inferred that the development of the constitutional remedy afford an effective remedy in the form of monetary compensation on infractions of human rights. However, this remedy is a distinct remedy and not a substitute of the remedy compensations available under the public law, constitutions, and private law, that is the civil law of tort. Aduna high riba sigi compensation sing se constitution na aduga Supreme Court na adu Supreme Court na tawba habse constitution gi makhada lam sigi constitution oriba Indian constitution du gi makhada ngaklo mayam ma yawre du ngaklo sing gi makhada ni amu Supreme Court na action na pangthor ka desu ko aduna development of the constitutional remedy affords an effective remedy in the form of monetary compensations on infraction of the human rights. The compensations is in the nature of exemplary damages awarded against the wrongdoer for the breach of its public law duty. Kanadagi no compensation law to say ngasagi wrongdoer lan toksalamiba lan bhalat taholiba adogi public interest social liba mayam singdo yakana and compensation law to ni. The sigi remedy se paikalak pamatamda the constitutional and the civil law remedies being supplementary to each other. Law the civil law have a ma then complement akogi constitutional law have a ma mayam makal mayam law mayam lady. Within that law, it is supplementary to each other. Constitutional remedy is only an additional remedy and an aggrieved person avail other remedy available to him under law. Tungan ba law mayam duna akoy miyobagi hak singse phangali phangan badugi mathakta amu constitutional remedies na amukka hena constitutional remedy in the sense that the Article 32 of the fundamental rights dune amukka hena mateng panghan ko. The monetary compensations through the rates for violations of human rights in the fundamental freedom is an acknowledged remedy. Fine tihan ba digidi magi mangraba magi hak to hanjana phone basa. This is a kind of acknowledged remedy. Amakakshine khambi ba miyabagi hak magi khambi ba. Then Constitution in general is in the written form except in United Kingdom while it is unwritten form and everything
except in United Kingdom where it is unwritten form and everything is based on conventions that are being followed by the people of the United Kingdom for years together. Prithivida laiba constitution since ayamba ayibana ayamba ngatani adubu United Kingdom dati haiba in written constitution nate makodi convention na convention haidi gaino chow mifam phamakanda parliament da mifam phamakanda warep lor kanda madu tarak warep to madu isel laga thamor kanda madu gi warep to the reference lor kanda sum chakhiba iraga direct na Indian constitution daw na iraga di lebi nataba but it is very powerful in the United Kingdom ado highly say United Kingdom da achuki matik yan powerful loiba constitution makak ne ba. In ancient Greek political thought of the constitutions were the principles, institutions, and the laws, practices, and the traditions by which the people carried on their political and the governmental life. Political thought haudorakpa ngasagi Greek ki thinkers na han bagi matungina constitution se kaino principles ni institutions ni the laws me am sinjil laga sema kanda madugi khuthang da lebak se chalai ba rajniti gi lebak naklon gi kano me am se loina chalai doini ko
from one standpoint the constitution is descriptive, referring to existing governmental arrangements. From another point, it is a normative content which is intended to guide and control political and governmental action to state what ought to be rather than what it is. Ajuji kai taurige sinatma kari taubudage government na miyobagi hak se nga na bohona ba matamda kari tauba matau tai miyobagi hak kanna bohona ba matamda habisi constitution sigi yam chawba part amakhak neba constitution dugi makhadani akhona ngasi leba nga iba chalai riba everything koi khudimok se constitution duna bound torka constitution pullaga thamini if anybody violate the constitutional law then kadawni mas jail da natragana phaba punba constitution nu violate tawtaragadi ado everything say ayam se constitutional law yawi kai ma yaw dawdubuni court ta kaida koigi torkanda amend tokpa adi semdokpa constitution yaw dubsindo semdokadiniba. And the very nature of the constitutional remedy suggests that it is subject to certain inherent limitations by precise amount of compensations to make good the laws and the personal liberty of the concerned officials are the issue which can only be properly adjudicated in a civil suit. Tongan ba masagi wigi constitution da piriba miyobigi hak se anganna ba constitution remedy in article 32 na make lana piri se mase certain inherent limitations haidi akak na ba sidagi henba yadaba tangka khara budi dum limit ama budi dum laiduni adana precise amounts of compensations to make good the laws and the personal liberty of the concerned officials are the issues which can only be properly adjudicated in the civil suit. Tongan mamari le na ba court the laws ingi makhada amuk madu ya mamutana discuss tawba adagidi magi maram jaba mayamdo constitution dugi matungina yengdoini and a constitutional remedy is only an additional remedy and an aggrieved person avail other remedy available to him under law. Tongan ba law mayam leri law dugi makhada adum angadoini ba. From one standpoint ko and I know then in this sense a constitution prescribes official conduct and provides a standard of legitimacy for assessing the validity of governmental action. The purpose of the constitution is not merely to create, organize and distribute governmental power but also to assure that governmental power is exercised legitimately.
Haide constitution na piriba magi mayam singse constitution du cham chana ba nataba constitution du chana ko matamda yamna legitimately haide aina magi makhada madu chana ribra aina magi makhada madu miyam da phangal libra haibadu constitution implement tawriba du akogi lawmakers sing adigi executive sing then judiciary sing na madu pangthokadabana. A constitution prescribes official conduct and provides a standard of legitimacy for assessing the validity of governmental works.
Tongan ba rule mayama constitution makhada yawriba rule mayam singse madu phajana implement tarpakanda justifiably hadi yam chumna implement tarpa makak mathau tai constitution da phanam per magasu implement tawriba miyoi singduna madu lan interpret tawraba natragna lan delaying tactics mayam taw gitaragadi constitution gi wahan to spirit to lan chakidune ba adna constitution almost in all countries is expressly declare to be the supreme law of the land, and the constitution said lam khuding makta magi supreme law of the land neba hiding asagi high ribasigi constitution sigi makha da ngak neba akhoi punu makna nasagi illaga sakadoshi ko. The end constitution is the supreme law of the land. Only that can protect our fundamental rights. Wow. Visually tadrbo. Yawdrbo. Mobile ha kana masa kasala. Visually mobile ha kana masa kabo. Mobile link talks na masa kabo. Anyway, how you get young common broke my dog there? Young common broke any of the people.